Good evening, Footy Pie. How are you? Welcome to the Close Open Show.
Hello. I'm great.
That's amazing. Tonight we will discuss about yourself. Because we have to be open, so we can get close.
Okay. Where should we start?
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Love at first sight is good. Love at second sight is not bad.
How about love at first bite?
I am Footy Pie. Love at first bite is true.
Comedians are usually guys that are not so good looking. Would you like to consider yourself a comedian?
I'm not. I bet you are a really awesome comedian.
Okay, fine. So, what brought you here?
I was brought here by a funny guy who thinks he's not a comedian, but definitely looks like one.
Choose one. Silver or magenta.
I will select magenta.
Do you think history can repeat itself?
I think, if you can, he can.
Do you like to make an action movie?
Why not? I am ready, anytime.
What if, for one day, you will become a bird? What kind of bird are you?
Everybody loves a big bird. I will be the biggest bird, ever.
Do you like chocolates? Or roses?
You ask a footy. You will get a footy. Chocolates, of course.
Cool. So, what is your ultimate secret?
Okay. My ultimate secret is my wisdom tooth.